Students, today we'll do dialogue writing. Dialogue writing, to understand this, a dialogue writing for the syllabus of class 9th and 10th, let us know what do you mean by a dialogue. So children, a dialogue means conversation between two or more people. In fiction, dialogue is a verbal exchange between two or more characters. If only one person talks, then it is a monologue. Dialogues are an effective tool of communication. They are very important forms of compositions. So, the points to be remembered while writing the dialogues, that is what we are going to discuss now. For writing a dialogue, we must follow certain basic rules. So, children, let us see the basic rules to be followed. The language should be simple, depending upon the relation between the speakers. Though a dialogue should read real speech, the dull part should be taken out. A real conversation would be completely boring to read. So, therefore, edit out the filter, the words, and unessential dialogues. So, what does this mean? That is, the dialogue does not contribute to the given situation. So, actually, the part is what a student should need to read the proceedings and follow the dialogues. They must understand the topic being discussed. The tense of the dialogue should be used according to the situation, as well as it should appear to be natural. And the words used should be to the point so that they convey the idea very clearly. So, this is how a dialogue writing should be done. So, children, to make you understand still thoroughly, let us have a sample dialogue. In the sample dialogue, we will be giving you a situation. So, what is the situation here? David has met with an accident. His friends Rahul and Varun are talking about him. So, you are going to read the dialogues between them. So, how they are conversing about them. Now, Rahul, do you know that David was hit by a two-wheeler? Varun, oh no, when did it happen? Rahul, he was hit by a motorcycle on his way back from school yesterday. Varun, how did it happen? Rahul, he was crossing the road at a zebra crossing when a speeding motorcyclist jumped the traffic light and knocked him down. Varun, is he badly injured? Rahul, he has fractured his arm. Varun, oh, that's sad. I suppose he will not be able to participate the inter-school swimming competition next week. He was sure to have won the trophy this year too. Rahul, yes, he was quite upset about it. So, children, after reading the sample dialogue, so what we have to understand is what we could able to understand from the sample dialogue. The actual points that we could understand. That is what is the dialogues about. We must understand the topic being discussed in this sample dialogue, and the tense of the dialogues should that is used to the situation, and the words used, whether they are to the point, that is conveying the idea clearly or not. So this is how we have to write down a dialogue writing. So now let us understand as we have understood how to write down a dialogue, now let us go to the exercise. So here in this video we have two exercises. Let me do one exercise for you first. The conversation between two person, that is an interviewer and a Raman. Now let's read the whole conversation so that we will come to an idea that what these two people are talking about and what tense has been used in this conversation. Fine. So let us read the conversation. Interviewer. Fill in the blank. Your school? Raman. I think my school is in the best school in the city. Interviewer. Fill in the blank. Your school? Raman. Miss Dolly Chopra is the best teacher. She teaches us English. Interviewer. Fill in the blank. In English? Raman. I got 95 marks out of 100. Interviewer. Fill in the blank. To your performance? So, this is what is the conversation between the interviewer as well as Raman. Now let us go to the first dialogue, that what he is asking. That is, he was saying first a blank, your school. To this question, if we see the response of the Raman, then we can understand what might be the question put by the interviewer. So here the response was, the Raman says that I think my school is the best school in the city. So let's see the options of A so that we will be able to understand which one is the suitable option for A part. What you think about? What you are thinking about? What do you think about? What are you thinking about? So children, if see the third option, what do you think about your school? So to this, once the Raman responses, I think my school is the best school in the city. So the option 3 is the appropriate option for the correct answer for this. Now let's see the second B bit. Interviewer. Again he is asking a question. A big blank. In your school? So let us see the response. Then we will be understanding the answer for this. Miss Dolly Chopra is the best. She teaches us English. So let's see the options. Who is the best teacher? Who the best teacher is? Which is the best teacher? A teacher cannot be which. You know that? What is the teacher? Can the teacher be what is? So what will be the suitable option here for the question number B? Yes, that is what? The first one. Who is the best teacher in your school? Then Raman responds, Miss Dolly. Fine. Now let's see the third question. Interviewer, he is again asking a question. A blank in English. So let's see the response. I got 95 marks out of 100. So might be he is inquiring about his marks. So what are the options given for the question number C? How much marks you got? Marks much. See, option 1 and 2. How much marks did you get? Again, option 3 you see children. How many marks did you get? And the option 4. How many marks did you get? So here for the question C, how many marks did you get in English? So to this Raman responses, I got 95 marks out of 100. So for the question number C, the suitable option is 4. How many marks did you get? Okay, fine. Now let's see the fourth question. Again he is asking a question, a blank, to your performance. So the answer for this response is, Raman responses, I am sure she was happy. So here let's see the options, which one will be the suitable. How your teacher reacted, How did your teacher react? How does your teacher react? How has your teacher reacted? So, children, see the question number D bit. The third option is very much suitable. How does your teacher react to your performance? Am I clear? So, the interviewer asked the question to Raman as, how does your teacher react to your performance? The third option is suitable. So therefore, Raman response is, I am sure she was happy. So children, I believe you would have understood the first question. Now let's see the second question. Now in the second question, now let us see that there is a conversation between the passenger as well as an enquiry clerk. Now let's go through again the whole conversation as it is, so that we'll be able to understand to what they're talking about as well as the tense used in this conversation. Fine, let me start. Passenger at Dhanbad station. Fine. Excuse me, I fill in the blank. Enquiry clerk. Yes. Passenger. What? Fill in the blank for Delhi. Enquiry clerk. There, fill in the blank. The 81 up and the 101 up. Passenger. I want at night train. Enquiry clerk. Well, you can take the 101 up. Passenger. What? Fill in the blank for from Dhanbad. So this is what we could understand, that these two persons are the passenger is inquiring about his train and the clerk is responding to him and helping him. Fine. Now let's see the question number A. Excuse me, I. So what the options, let us see. Want, like to have some information. See the option A, how it is. Want, like to have some information. And question option 2, should like to have some information, have to inquire, would like to have some information. So the fourth one is suitable one. Excuse me, I would like to have some information. So this is what is the correct appropriate answer for question number A. So to this, enquiry clerk says yes. For again the second question, passenger. What? Fill in the blank for Delhi. So here let's see the B question options. Trains are there. There are trains. Are trains. Trains is there. So therefore the second question B bit, the appropriate answer is trains are there. What trains are there for Delhi? So enquiry clerk responds to it by stating there. Again I fill in the blank. So in this fill in the blank, the option is number of trains, were number of trains, are a number of trains, can be number of trains. So the appropriate option for C is the third one, are a number of trains. So what is that? There are a number of trains, the 81 UP up and 101 up. So for this the passenger says, I want a night train. Then enquiry clerk says, well, you can take up 101 up. Then again passenger has a doubt. He says, what? A blank from Dhanbad. So here if you see the appropriate options, that is what the options here is: the time of arrival, is the time of reaching, is the time of its departure, will be the time arrival. So let's see the option That is, what is the time of its departure from Dhanbad? So the appropriate option is the third one. Yes. So you could have understood, I think so. So children, stay home, be safe. I think you would have understood the dialogue writing as well as dialogue completion. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.